Hi, future product designers. This is Mr. Sanders. Just a quick introduction to A-level product design. Obviously, this is AQA, product design, that you're going to be taking in the next 2 years, or over the next 2 years. Teachers that teach this subject are myself, Mr. Sanders, Mrs. August will teach, and Mr. Miller will be teaching throughout the 2 years. The course looks into several different areas of design. You look into the more technical side of it, and then you look into the more theoretical side of design. Year 12, we try to get as much of the core theory, so going through the exam theory, done as possible. So we'll be looking into, as I said, the technical aspects of it. So looking into different materials, how different materials act when put under pressures, when used within certain types of products. Looking into the different ways to draw, so drawing techniques that designers use, the CAD elements of design, looking into 3D printing, looking into how the laser cut is used, looking into different machinery that we can use as designers and as manufacturers. And then we will be looking into the more theoretical side, as I said, so looking into design movements, so how design affects the way that we think, the way that designers actually create products. So looking into more the ergonomic aspects of it, the aesthetic aspects, looking into how colours affect the way that we design. Certain projects that we get through within year 12 are, we will give you more freedom. So in year 12, you, as an A-level student, you gain more freedom to create what you want, in a sense. We will be giving you a design brief, a simple design brief, and then you go and take that however you want. Previous years, we've looked into children's furniture. So you can then, using more of a technical side of design, create a piece of children's furniture. So looking more into the way that it's built, looking more into how it fits the child, rather than just going into a GCSE mindset of creating it for the examination, for the examiner, and that's it. You're actually creating it for somebody to use now. We have last year, we created a link with the other schools within the trust that St. Peter's belongs to. So we have Salesians and we have SJB. And I created a project that we all worked on, because one area that I thought we all lacked was the design aspect of it. And I created a competition where we had to design and then model a speaker or a set of headphones, and we all came together and had it as a design presentation almost. Everyone came to St. Peter's, and we managed to look around all the stalls that all the students were on and kind of take inspiration from everyone's work, so we can actually see how other schools present their ideas. And that is something that I want to carry on this year as well, and make it even bigger, even better. Last year, we also managed to have the joy of having 2 different product designers come in and give a little talk about how product design actually works and how you can actually get into a career in product design. We had one from a design company based in Hazelmere who used to design who created one of the first Marvel action toys. And then we had one who came to this little competition that I ran within the MAT, and he was designing for Philips. He designed for Tommy Tippy, the baby manufacturer, and he was an absolute inspiration to everybody. And hopefully he will be coming back and doing the same talk again when you're on it. I think the potential paths and routes that this could lead you into. Obviously, you have the product design aspect that this will go down, but also you have the product engineering. You have the graphic design. So looking into the ways that, well, think about graphics as a whole, and then look at product engineering. So the different ways that materials can be used to create a product. Another aspect that I would like to promote this year more so is the CAD modeling. So using certain aspects of CAD, so using Fusion 360, but also using the two 3D printers that we have on site now, and also the brand new laser cutter to our advantage. We have a lot more things that we can do with these three machines that we've ever done before. So we can use that to our advantage. Year 13, you're going to be going into and doing more work on your coursework. So we'll be starting this with April 2021 now, and you will do this from then up until the end of March 22. So it's a long time, but that'll be when your coursework ends. Your coursework is anything you want to design. So anything you have a passion for, you will be able to create. And that is something that is really exciting within this project, is that you can create anything you have a passion for. A couple of examples this year, we've got a goalkeeper glove cleaning facility. We've also got a games console storage that lights up and charges when it's being made. So they're just two examples of some fantastic projects that we have in the mix already. When preparing for this course, there's a couple of things that I want you to be looking into. So over summer, in the start of the course, it would be fantastic if you could look at or try to download Fusion 360. So look at the Autodesk website and go into Fusion 360. You can download this for free. It's a very big program, but it will give you access to some amazing features, and you can get ahead of the game and actually start designing and using Fusion 360. We have the TED Talks that are constantly being updated. TED Talks keep on looking into areas of design and design technology, and more for the A-level aspect of it, even though these are done by industrial designers and people with a lot of standing within the design industry. You can get inspiration from these talks, but also they can help you within your theory work. The final area is the YouTube channel that I have, which is DT is Mr. Sanders, but also my website, www.dtismrsanders.com. That will give you access to a lot of A-level help work and A-level videos that you can be using. And it'd be good to have a look through those videos now and see the reference points for those videos and see what they can be leading on to. That's a very brief introduction to the course. If you have any questions, please get in touch with either myself, B Sanders, either Miss August, F August, or Mr. Miller, T Miller at stpeters.surrey.sch.uk, and we will answer any of your questions. And I look forward to seeing you in September. Bye-bye, guys.